Alright, this rock is pretty cool. I call it the llama rock. Right? It looks like a llama. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, the beginning of the trail. It's hot. Just waiting for the girls. It's a nice day though. Pretty. That's Mummy Mountain right there.
Luis's movie! Yeah!
Where are you guys going?
Just went to the lookout.
Oh yeah? Oh, 10,000. This is where my body starts shutting down. That's where I want to get for this climb. It's killing me. So it turns out I went up too high. We're actually camping somewhere over there. And then I went all the way to the saddle, which that was not fun. But that's because it's super windy up there, and then tomorrow's gonna be like 35 miles per hour. So this section should be we should be protected from the wind. Christy. Ladies and gentlemen, we have officially arrived to our campground.
Okay. Oh, yeah. See, mine's like...
Now that's a badass tent back there.
Nice. I'm going to take everything.
So, I was as before. What I carry?
I have an idea, but my friend was telling me
Water, food, stove, sleeping bag, tent, sleeping pad, socks, sweater, liner, cup, and for my butt. Now we're gonna see what Christy has.
what I have in my magic bag.
Take a video.
I love that he's taking a video. Okay, so I have eggs for breakfast,
Yeah.
and I had to have hot sauce because I'm a hot sauce. Eggs are too heavy. I know we're not near water, but I felt like I should have this. Do you have it? I don't know. Okay.
I feel like I need to inspect your pack before you pack.
I think I need you to inspect it. Extra pair of socks because when I sleep I like to wear socks. Oh, ibuprofen and allergy pills.
Nice.
I
Yep, those
probably
always
don't need
help.
that many, but I was like, okay, so there.
Okay.
That's not horrible.
You have a
That's
lot.
like a month worth of food up here.
I'll show you some.
Brulee. You need creme brulee. You need
You do
dessert.
need creme brulee. You need creme brulee. Oh my
dessert.
gosh, wait a minute. I didn't even...
Oh, fireball.
Fireball.
Judy's good. I think
Judy's
Judy's
good.
a second place winner.
Fireball.
What are you having, Christy?
I am having instant ramen.
Okay. What are you having?
What were you
Tuna? Okay, tuna works.
What is ordering now? I'm having salmon, eggs,
Ramen
I'll do
noodle.
ramen too, but instant miso.
Monica.
Mac and cheese, and I'm gonna add some mashed
Ooh.
Oh,
We have a winner.
yes. That sounds really good.
Hi, 'cause we love to hike.
You do love to hike.
And we love to backpack. And we This is our first backpacking at Mount Charleston. Woo! Cheers! It's a lot of fun! Cheers! Woo!
It's a single take. Hold on. Try slightly different.
Good morning. We got Christy. Good morning.
Good morning.
Roulette. Judy.
Good Monica.
Good morning.
Morning vibes.
Morning vibes, all good.
That's it. Done with the trail. Christy and the group still back there. Just wanted to run this trail and get to the cart. See you next time.